Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. In previous lecture, we complete practice set 4.1 and 4.2 of Maths 2, lesson number 4. I hope you too complete 4.1 and 4.2. Today we are going to start practice set 4.3 and problem set 4 of lesson construction of triangles. Practice set 4.3 based on the construction in which the perimeter of a triangle is given and two angles are given to you. On the basis of this information, you have to construct the triangle. Perimeter means sum of all three sides of a triangle. Here in this type of construction, perimeter of a triangle are given and two angles are given, and on the basis of this information we have to construct the triangle. See here one example. Construct triangle ABC such that AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 11.3. So AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 11.3 is nothing but the perimeter. Sum of all three sides of a triangle is called is perimeter. So here perimeter is given to you 11.3 and angle B 70 degree, angle C given to you 60 degree. On the basis of this information we have to construct triangle ABC. Now the question is how to construct this type of triangle. See here steps are given for the construction. The first step is draw segment PQ of 11.3, that is perimeter that is given to you, that is sum of all three sides. Take as a base. In place of PQ you can take any name, A, B, B, C, C, D, you can take any name. That means in short the perimeter that is given to you, you have to take as a base. So draw PQ of 11.3 centimeter length. In place of PQ you can write B dash C dash also. Okay. Then the next step is draw a ray making angle of 35 degree at the point P. So here the angles given to you is 70 degree and 60 degree. So half of 70 degree is 35 degree and half of 60 degree is 35 degree. So draw ray P. Draw a ray making an angle of 35 degree at a point P and draw another ray making an angle of 30 degree at a point Q. That means half of the given angle. Name the point of intersection of these ray as point A. The point of intersection of this angle ray, that means 35 degree and 30 degree, name at point A. Now the next step is draw a perpendicular bisector of segment AP and segment AQ. The two segment you get after intersection, that is segment AP and segment AQ. Draw perpendicular bisector of both the segment. Name the point as B and C. The perpendicular bisector of these segments intersect base PQ at 2 points. Give the name at 2 points as B and C respectively. Okay. So then draw segment AB and AC by that point, then you get your required triangle ABC. Okay. So in short, the perimeter is given to you, take as a base and give the name base, any name you can give. Here the name is given P and Q. Then half of angle that is given to you 70 degree and 60 degree. Angle B is 70 degree. So half of 70 degree is 35 degree. So take angle P as 35 degree and angle Q half of 60 degree, that means 30 degree. Then join this angle ray. The point of intersection is point A. Then you have to draw the perpendicular bisector of segment AP and AQ. This perpendicular bisector intersect base PQ at 2 points. Give them name as point B and C. Now join point A with B and C. So this is your required triangle ABC. Okay. Let's move to the practice set 4.3. In practice set 4.3, total 3 questions are there. I will explain you 2 questions. One is homework for you. Okay. So let's start practice set 4.3. Question number 1. Question number 1 is construct triangle PQR in which angle Q 70 degree, angle R 80 degree, PQ plus QR plus PR is 9.5 centimeter. That means perimeter is 9.5 centimeter. The figure is like that as shown in the figure. Okay. So first of all you have to draw the base by taking the perimeter. Then draw the ray of angles, half of the angle given to you. Then draw the perpendicular bisector. and the intersection of perpendicular bisector, you get 2 points. Join with these 2 points, then you get your required triangle. Let's start the construction. First of all, draw the rough figure. Read the question carefully and draw the rough figure. Here we have to construct triangle PQR, in which angle Q is 70 degree and angle R is 80 degree, and PQ plus QR plus PR is 9.5 centimeter. That is, perimeter is 9.5 centimeter. First of all, draw rough figure, then the fair. Okay. Draw rough figure of this triangle. We have to take perimeter as a base. Then draw the angle ray. Angle Q 70 degree, so half of 70 is 35 degree, half of 80 is 40 degree. The interior triangle is your required triangle PQR. Here angle Q 70 degree, so this angle Q dash is 35 degree and angle R is 80 degree, so angle R dash is 40 degree. So let's start the fair construction. First of all, draw base Q dash R dash 9.5 centimeter. Then draw the angle rays, angle Q 35 degree and angle R 40 degree. This ray of angle Q is 35 degree angle. Angle R dash is 40 degree. By using the protractor, measure angle R as 45 degree and draw that ray of that angle. This is angle 45 degree, that is R dash. Now you get this angle rays, point of intersection of this angle rays is point P. Now the next step, bisect P and R dash, P and Q dash. So take more than half distance on a compass, bisect by keeping the point of the compass on 2 points. First of all, keep the tip of the compass on first point, draw two up, and then keep the point of the tip of the compass on second point and cut that up. Then you get the perpendicular bisector of segment P and R dash. This perpendicular bisector intersect base Q dash R dash at one point, that is your required point R. Now draw another perpendicular bisector of segment P and Q dash in similar way. Now this perpendicular bisector intersect base at one point, so that is your required point Q. So now draw, now join PQ and PR. PQ and PR. So this is your required triangle PQ and R. This is your required triangle PQR. Here angle Q is 70 degree and angle R is 80 degree. Write the measures. So first of all, we draw here the base Q dash R dash by taking the measure of perimeter given 9.5 centimeter. We give the name of base Q dash and R dash. Then we take the angle Q dash as 35 degree because angle Q is 70 degree. So half of 70 is 35 degree. Then draw that angle ray. So half of angle Q dash is 35 degree. So half of angle R dash is 40 degree. Then we draw perpendicular bisectors of P and Q dash, P and R dash. Then we complete our triangle PQR. Okay. Next, question number 2. Question number 2 is construct triangle XYZ in which angle Y 58 degree, angle X is 40 degree and perimeter of triangle is 10.5 centimeter. Okay. As you know, first of all we have to draw the base by taking the measure of perimeter. So here the base is PQ 10.5 centimeter. Then angle Y is given to you 58 degrees, so half of 58 degrees is 29, so angle P is 29 degree, and half of angle X, that is half of 46, is 23, so angle Q is 23. Okay, in place of point P and Q you can take Y dash, X dash. Okay, you can take X dash and Y dash. So X is 46 degrees, so X dash is 23 degree, Y is 58 degrees, so Y dash is 29 degree. Then draw the angle ray, and this angle ray point of intersection of this angle ray is point Z. Then draw the perpendicular bisector of these two rays. Then you get your required point X and Y. Start the construction. In place of PQ I am taking X dash, Y dash. Okay. So first of all draw rough figure. Rough figure is compulsory in both the constructions. So draw rough figure of this triangle XYZ. Here the perimeter of triangle is 10.5, so your base is 10.5. First of all draw the base 10.5. This is your base 10.5 centimeter. Name the base as XYZ, so Y dash, Z dash. So I am giving the name of base as Y dash and Z dash. Okay. This is your triangle X, Y dash, Y, Z dash. Now angle Y is 58 degrees, so half of 58 is 29. So Y dash is 29 degree. And angle Z is 46 degree. Sorry, angle X is 46 degree. So take base as X dash and Y dash. Because angle X and Y is given to you. So take as a base X dash and Y dash. The angles you have to take as a base. So angle X is 46 degree. So half of angle X, X dash is 23 degree. Okay. And angle Y 58 degree. Half of 58 is 29 degree. So Y dash is 29 degree. It is compulsory to write the measures of angles and sides also. The inside triangle is your required triangle XYZ. X dash 23 degree and X 46 degree. Y dash is 29 degree and angle Y is 58 degree. Let's start the fair construction. This is the rough figure. Now start the fair construction. First of all you have to draw X dash, Y dash as 10.5 centimeter. This is your base 10.5 centimeter, that is X dash and Y dash. Okay. Now by using the protractor, measure angle y dash as 23 degree. Now draw the ray of this angle y dash, that is 23 degree. Now keep the protractor on y dash, measure the angle 29 degree and draw the ray of this angle, that is 29 degree. The point of intersection of these two rays is point Z. This is your point Z. Now by using the compass, draw the perpendicular bisector of y dash z and x dash z. By taking the distance more than half distance, draw the perpendicular bisector of these two sides. This is the perpendicular bisector of yz, y dash and z. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of y dash and z. These two perpendicular bisector intersect base at 2 points. This is your required point x and y. Now join x with z and y with z. This is your required triangle XYZ. Write the measures of sides and angles. Angle X 46 degree, angle Y 58 degree, angle Y dash as 29 degree and X dash as 23 degree. Write the measures. So here we complete two construction, question number 1 and question number 2. Rough figure is compulsory and measurement. It's compulsory to write the measurement of sides and angles. It's compulsory to write the measures of angles and sides and rough figure also. Okay. Next question number 3. Question number 3 is construct triangle LMN in which angle M is 60 degree, angle N is 80 degree and LM plus MN plus LN, that is perimeter, is 11 centimeter. This question is homework for you. So the steps are same. Yes. Now move to the problem set 4. Problem set 4, question number 1. Construct triangle XYZ such that XY plus YZ is 10.3 centimeter. YZ is 4.9 centimeter and angle XYZ is 45 degree. This question is based on 4.1. Do this construction, observe the method and steps of construction of 4.1. Question number 2. Question number 2 is construct triangle ABC in which angle B 70 degree, angle C 60 degree, AB plus BC plus AC is 11.2 centimeter. That is perimeter is 11.2 centimeter. See the figure. This question is based on practice set 4. This question is also homework for you. See the steps of practice set 4.3 and do this construction. You can do. It's easy. Okay. Next, question number 3. Question number 3. The perimeter of a triangle is 14.4 centimeter and the ratio of length of its sides are 2:3:4. Then we have to construct the triangle. Here the sides are given in ratio, that means 2:3:4. Okay, and we have to construct the triangle in which the perimeter is 4.4 centimeter and the ratio of three sides is 2:3:4. Okay, so see the steps of construction of this figure or this triangle. The first step is draw base by taking the measure of perimeter is given 4.4 centimeter. So draw the base. You can give any name A, B, B, C, X, Y, whatever you want to. So first of all, draw the base of length 14.4 centimeter as the perimeter is given 14.4 centimeter. First step. Now the second step, draw a ray AC making an acute angle. That means by taking any acute angle less than 90 degree. 40 degree, 50 degree. Take a ray AC making an acute angle from A in the downward direction, and then you have to divide this angle ray in 2 plus 3 plus 4, that means 9 parts. So by taking the particular distance on a compass, divide this ray in 9 parts. Okay. Now then third step, join B and A9. Then you have to join B with A9. Then draw a line parallel to B, A9 at A2 and A5 intersecting AB at point X and Y respectively. Then fifth step, write X as a center and X as a radius, draw an arc. And the sixth step, with Y as a center and YB as a radius, draw an arc cutting the previous arc at Z. Now join XZ and YZ. Then you get your required triangle XYZ. It's your required triangle. See here, this is your required figure. The steps are, first of all, draw base by taking the measure of perimeter 14.4. Then you have to draw an acute angle below this segment. Any acute angle 40 degree, 55 degree. Then you have to divide this angle ray in 9 parts. 2 plus 3 plus 4 are 9. So you have to divide in 9 parts. Then you have to join A9 with B. And you have to draw the parallel line with A5 and Y and A2. Then you get your required triangle XYZ. Let's start the fair construction. First step, draw base of 14.4 centimeter, name as segment AB. Okay. With the help of scale, draw base of 14.4 centimeter, name as AB. This is 14.4 centimeter base AB. Now next step, from point A, draw an acute angle below side. Acute angle, that means less than 90 degree. There is no need to measure. You know that acute angle is always less than 90 degree. So draw an acute angle ray on below side. Now take a particular distance on a compass. Divide this angle ray in 9 parts. Cut this angle ray in 9 parts. Like that, cut this angle ray in 9 parts. Give them name as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9. Okay. Now join A9 with point B. As your ratios are 2:3, 2:5:9. Now draw a line from A5, a parallel line from A5. Draw another parallel line from A2. Okay. You know about the parallel line, they are passing from same distance. So draw 2 parallel lines as A9 and B from A5 and A2. Now keep the tip of compass on point X and taking the radius as XA, draw an arc. Now keep the point on Y and take the distance YB as a radius. Now cut this arc. Now join this point with X and Y. This is your required triangle XYZ. Okay. Problem set 4, question number 4, last question. Construct triangle PQR in which PQ minus PR is 2.5 cm, QR 6.4 cm, angle PQR 55 degree. We have to construct this triangle. This question is same as practice set 4.2. Observe the steps of practice set 4.2 and construct this triangle. This is also homework for you. Okay. So today we complete lesson number 4. All the 3 types of construction. The first one in which the sum of 2 sides and 1 angle and base is given. There is a second in which 1 angle, base and difference of 2 sides are given, and the third type in which the perimeter is given. Okay. Recall the steps of construction, then you can easily construct. Just you have to recall each and every step of construction and we have discussed in each type of construction the steps of construction. Just recall in your mind the steps. You have to remember some point. The first one is rough figure is compulsory, and in fair and rough figure both it's compulsory to write the measure of sides and angles. Complete all the questions of practice set 4.1, 4.2, 4.3 and problem set. If any doubt, any queries, you can ask me. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Jazakallahu khair.